See the first thing.
Hey, did you guys hear about that new movie?
Like, totally. That was like so fancy.
I think I should go see it.
I already seen it.
It barely came out, like a minute ago.
My parents are rich. I can get whatever I want. I'm going to the restroom.
What do you have there?
It's my dad's new lipstick. It looks so beautiful on me. This boy wants to kiss me so bad, but I don't want to because I'm so rich.
Well then.
Yeah. And I like have the prettiest eyes ever. I'm like famous from a movie. You know this called Land of the Lost.
Okay then.
I'm the dinosaur.
You are. You really are a dinosaur.
Who are you?
I'm Randy. Duh.
Stop phone. Let me see about you. Let me see what you do.
I'm Randy. Like, anybody who doesn't know me is like, boom. But look at my pretty socks. Look how cute they are. Look at. No, these are beach shoes. Yeah, you know what it is.
You're a diva.
Look at, ready? Here comes a. Ew.
Don't be talking about my mannequin.
Don't
Don't be talking about my mannequin.
I thought that was my mannequin.
This is my mannequin.